We are at a little Jeep meetup that turned in crazy. Well, turned in beautiful actually. It's a really good turnout. Check this out. What up, Tire Garage TV? Yo, welcome back for another episode. My name is Pablo and this is the Tire Garage TV. As you can tell, I'm not at the shop today. I found this post on Instagram about a Jeep meetup and we're hitting 3 different locations. It's a pretty good turnout. Orange County, LA, and the IE. So we're driving around and just getting to know people, hanging out with Jeep people. I've got my Classic, you've seen mine before, so check mine out. This is what we're rolling in. It's a 95 4-cylinder stick shift little YJ Classic. You get a bunch of different Jeeps out here. Gladiators, to stock Jeeps, to these. You got a little bit of everything out here. It's sick. We got a really big turnout here too. My name is Pablo. This is the Tire Garage TV. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Yo, if it's your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button. If you've been here before, welcome back. We're out here in LA somewhere. I don't want to give addresses because I don't want to be calling the cops. I don't want the cops to start searching this account and stuff like that. It's been peaceful, been good. There's family fun out here. So there's families, kids, adults, grown-ups, kids, whatever. Everybody is out here. It's a good time. Let's go head out. Let me take you back to the first location. That's where we met up and then drove out here. And then from here, we go to the IE. I'm probably not going to join that one. And then off there, from here, they head out over to the IE and then go take a route, go hit an off-road route. Let me take you back to the first location. That's where we started the day. So let's get to work. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. Just take your shirt off.
Can I be topless?
Sí, los gorditos. Yeah, go topless. That's what the show's about.
Pues apenas están llegando.
Yeah. Pues que eran las 12. You know Mexicans that were always late.
Yeah.
Nice Classic right there.
Yo, welcome back. We're back at the office now. That event turned out really fun, really good time. I knew I had to be at that event because it said, when I saw the post on Instagram, it said Topless Jeep event. I was like, shit, that one is made for me. So that Topless Jeep that I have was like perfect. And that's what I expected. A whole ton of Jeeps, a lot of them without doors, a lot of them without the tops on. All of them had no tops on. It was a good event, good turnout, fun event. After that, they were gonna go hit a trail, which I didn't want to go on that one because I had stuff to do. But on the next one, we're gonna take the Hummer, and in the Hummer we'll go hit up one of the trails together with all that whole crew. That's like a whole crew of people that go to those Jeep events. They're Jeep events, but the dude, the guy knows that I have a Hummer. I think one of his homies has a Hummer too, so they tend to go, and it's a good time. It's a good time. So we'll start hanging out with them a little bit more often. Cool. As for now, go hit up these 2 accounts. I'll put my Instagram up here. I'll put the shop Instagram up here. I post pretty often. I'm pretty active on social media. Anything you need, just DM me there. And yeah, catch you on the next one. We're gonna cut it short right here. Short on this one. And thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you. All right, let's get out of here. Let's go. Let's get to work. I don't want to scream too much right now because I kind of got a sore throat right now. But let's get to work. Let's get to work. Let's get to work.